Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, are you facing this issue? We could not find any drives. To get the storage drivers, click on load driver. The issue is basically when I am trying to install the Windows 11 on my computer, the SSD or my hard drive is not showing up here. So in this video, I will show you how quickly you can fix this issue. Now the reason behind this error is basically read on BIOS configuration settings that supports the VMD drivers. So in order to install the and fix the issue on your computer, you need to install the VMD drivers on your computer, or you can choose the BIOS mode from read on to AHCI, and that will fix the issue instantly. For the driver installation, I will link a video, and for the changing the VMD mode, we can simply cross this out and going to the BIOS options, search the BIOS option on your computer and press the BIOS key. Now once you go to the BIOS options, just look for the option storage. Here is the storage option and read on is selected here. It is written as well. Intel Rapid Technology driver is must for this. So you can simply untick this option AHCI. If read on is selected and you are able to see the VMD enable and disable options, VM drivers option disable and enable, you can simply disable the VMD driver options. But in my system there is no VMD options, so we can simply switch the SATA configuration mode to AHCI. Read on is basically used in a server label for the redundancy, so there is no need to configure with our system. Just click on AHCI here, then click on yes, then apply the changes, also tick the box, then click on OK, and even you can press F10 in some of the systems, then click on exit. Now again boot from your USB pen drive, select next, next, install with the OS, all done, next, and now you can see issue has been fixed. Simply you can just delete all the partitions here and simply choose the largest one and then click on next, and Windows is going to install into that partitions. Okay, so this is the video guys, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.